the era of human-robot collaboration. Cobots are not a distant dream. They are already here, and their numbers are growing rapidly. These collaborative robots are finding their place in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and even retail. Their versatility stems from their adaptable nature. Unlike traditional industrial robots, which require extensive programming and are often task-specific, cobots are designed for flexibility. They can be easily reprogrammed and redeployed to perform a variety of tasks. This adaptability makes them ideal for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. The rise of cobots is fueled by their affordability and ease of use. Advances in robotics technology have made these machines more accessible than ever before. Small businesses, once priced out of the automation market, can now leverage the power of cobots to boost productivity and compete on a level playing field. This accessibility is driving widespread adoption, transforming industries and reshaping the global workforce. The age of the cobot is upon us, and its impact will be profound. The true power of cobots lies not just in their mechanical capabilities, but in the intelligence that drives them, artificial intelligence or AI. AI is the invisible force that allows these robots to learn, adapt, and work alongside humans in a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables cobots to learn from experience. As they perform tasks, they gather data, analyze patterns, and refine their actions. This ability to learn and improve over time makes them incredibly valuable in environments where tasks may vary or evolve. Beyond machine learning, advancements in computer vision are giving cobots the ability to see and interpret their surroundings. This allows them to navigate complex environments, identify objects, and even recognize human faces and emotions. The result is a robot that can work seamlessly alongside humans, understanding and responding to its environment in a way that was once the exclusive domain of human workers. The integration of AI into cobots is a game-changer. It transforms these machines from simple tools into intelligent partners, capable of collaboration and problem-solving. As AI technology continues to advance, so too will the capabilities of cobots, ushering in a new era of human-robot interaction. The impact of collaborative robots is already being felt across a wide range of industries. In manufacturing, cobots are assisting with assembly tasks, working alongside human workers to increase efficiency and precision. They are being deployed in warehouses to streamline logistics, moving goods, and managing inventory with speed and accuracy. Beyond these traditional industrial settings, cobots are finding their place in more unexpected fields. In healthcare, they are assisting surgeons in the operating room, providing a steady hand and unparalleled precision. They are being used in rehabilitation centers to help patients regain mobility and independence. Even in the service industry, cobots are making their mark. They are being used in restaurants to prepare food and serve customers, and in retail stores to assist shoppers and stock shelves. Their ability to interact with humans in a safe and efficient manner makes them ideal for these customer-facing roles. The applications for cobots are limited only by our imagination. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see these collaborative robots playing an even greater role in our lives, transforming industries and redefining the very nature of work. Section 5. Efficiency Unleashed. The Power of Collaboration. The most immediate and tangible benefit of human-robot collaboration is a surge in efficiency. Cobots are tireless workers, capable of operating around the clock without breaks or fatigue. They perform repetitive tasks with precision and consistency, eliminating the risk of human error. This increase in efficiency translates into higher productivity and reduced costs for businesses. With cobots handling the mundane and repetitive tasks, human workers are freed to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. This division of labor allows businesses to optimize their workforce and maximize output. The benefits extend beyond the bottom line. Increased efficiency means faster turnaround times, which translates into greater customer satisfaction. It also allows businesses to be more responsive to market demands and adapt to changing conditions. In a world where competition is fierce, the ability to operate efficiently is paramount. Human-robot collaboration provides a powerful solution, unleashing a new level of productivity and giving businesses a competitive edge. Section 6. Safety First. Robots as guardians of the workforce. The introduction of robots into the workplace often raises concerns about safety. However, cobots are designed with safety as a top priority. They are equipped with advanced sensors and safety features that prevent accidents and ensure a harmonious working relationship between humans and machines. These safety features include collision detection systems that bring the cobot to a halt if it senses an obstacle in its path. They also have force-limiting capabilities, meaning they are programmed to exert only a certain amount of force, preventing injuries to nearby human workers. The presence of cobots can actually enhance workplace safety by taking on tasks that are hazardous or physically demanding for humans. For example, cobots can handle heavy lifting, reducing the risk of back injuries and other musculoskeletal disorders. They can also work in environments that are dangerous for humans, such as those with extreme temperatures or exposure to hazardous materials. By taking on these high-risk tasks, cobots act as guardians of the workforce, protecting human workers from harm and creating a safer work environment for everyone. Section 7. The Human Element, Addressing Job Displacement Fears. The rise of automation and the increasing prevalence of robots in the workplace inevitably raise concerns about job displacement. It is natural to fear that machines will replace human workers, leading to widespread unemployment. While it is true that some jobs will be automated, it is important to remember that technology has always disrupted the job market. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the displacement of many agricultural workers, but it also created countless new jobs in factories and other industries. The key to navigating this transition is to focus on retraining and upskilling the workforce. As robots take over repetitive and manual tasks, humans will be needed for roles that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These are skills that robots are not yet able to replicate. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses must work together to provide workers with the skills they need to thrive in a future dominated by human-robot collaboration. By investing in education and training, we can ensure that the workforce is prepared for the jobs of the future. Section 8. Building a Collaborative Future Ethics and Education. The integration of robots into the workforce is not without its challenges. As we embrace the potential of human-robot collaboration, it is crucial to address the ethical considerations and ensure that this technology is used responsibly. One of the key ethical considerations is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If robots are trained on biased data, they may perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. It is essential to develop AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and promote equality. Another important consideration is the impact of robots on human autonomy and decision-making. As robots become more sophisticated, it is important to establish clear guidelines for human oversight and ensure that humans retain ultimate control over decision-making processes. Education and training will play a vital role in ensuring a smooth transition to a collaborative future. Workers need to be educated about the capabilities and limitations of robots, as well as how to work safely and effectively alongside them. They also need to be equipped with the skills that will be in high demand in a robot-driven economy. Section 9. Embracing the Future. A call to collaborative action. The future of work is collaborative. Robots are not here to replace humans. They are here to augment our abilities, enhance our productivity, and create a safer and more efficient workplace. This is not a time to fear the rise of the robots, but rather an opportunity to embrace the potential of this transformative technology. Embracing this future requires a collaborative approach. Governments, businesses, educational institutions, and individuals must work together to ensure that the benefits of this technology are shared by all. We need to invest in education and training, promote ethical development and use of AI, and create a regulatory environment that fosters innovation while protecting workers' rights. The future of work is not predetermined, it is something we create. By embracing collaboration, fostering innovation, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can shape a future where humans and robots work together to build a more prosperous and equitable world for all. The time to act is now. Let us embrace the future, together.